Other times where we've been having wrangles in choosing the team, because it has always been, handpicking the players. But NOC has made it very clear that this time they're going to have a series of tournaments where everyone is going to be given a chance, and we are really grateful for that.
As we are all aware, we have been having a challenge with one of our affiliates, the Badminton Federation, in that they have been suspended by the international body, and therefore their suspension means they cannot participate in any of the international events. This has concerned us deeply, and it's not something we are very happy about, and therefore we took the initiative from a lot of concerns from the players to approach the Badminton World Federation. WF has allowed Kenya to participate in the Commonwealth Games with the several riders. The first one is that would be able to give an opportunity to all the players to make it to the team.